very drastically, because that is how you can majorly focus on the particular thing which is most important. If you see like past 5 to 10 years back, there is a lot of people who's over remembers the contact number, but nowadays that is very easy, because there is a lot of things which we can very easily. So that is how like where our mind works. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'm going to say you one important thing, like which is very helped me a lot to succeed in my productivity, like increasing my productivity, which is about like using a cell phone very less, because that is like nowadays a lot of people are using cell phone at least like 5 to 6 hours in a day, which is very difficult to be a focus in a one task, like such as if you are working on something. So if you are using cell phone, so that is very difficult to basically focus on that particular thing which you are working on, and that is very difficult to basically get a result from that. And so that is why I basically use try to capture my screen time, basically how long I am watching and searching and how much time I am spending, because these are the things which create a huge impact if you want to basically achieve your goals. Because like cell phone is something if you basically just take it out from your life, so basically you can achieve things very like very drastically, because that is how you can majorly focus on the particular thing which is most important. If you see like past 5 to 10 years back, there is a lot of people who's over remembers the contact number, but nowadays that is very easy, because there is a lot of things which we can very easily. So that is how like where our mind works. Our mind thinks that that is very easily, so we are not able to think that much. So that is why we need to like stop scrolling and searching on the platforms which are like advertising too much, and there is a lot of notification we get easily. And so yeah, this is what we need to focus on. And I basically got some sort of suggestion from one of YouTuber who is a trader as well. So they only basically work on their selves. They never care about like other things such as like society. They never care. They basically matter basically them what matters is their result, their performance, and their profit and loss. So these all things just matter to them. So for improving consistently for themselves, there is laser focus they required. So for that basically I bought one book which is helps me a lot. And so I found out this author from the YouTube only. So the author name is Robin Sharma, and I bought his book of last year, and the book name is 5 a.m. Club. From there I basically got to know about like what basically the people who have succeeded, what they have done. So because of that they are on that space. So if you are following such a sort of habit, so you will definitely reach at certain point where you can basically don't feel lethargic at every time, and don't feel lazy, because nowadays most of the people don't want to try some sort of things. They just fear of doing that. So that is very shocking for everyone who are like coming like from our older age, like you can say our parents as well. So because they have done so much like in life, they never fear, they never scared of something. But we are, and we don't want to do anything which is getting us us into a certain level. So yeah, these all things I want to express, and basically my motto is also to upload videos which can people implement in their life and they can improve themselves as well. So because of that I have uploaded too much videos, and my motto is toward like getting some sort of valuable things. And so yeah, on this note I'm completing this video. Bye bye, have a good day.